It's terrible. The floods, it's shocking. They don't know the answer yet as to how many people, but it looks like some young people have died.
Do you need federal aid for that?
Oh yeah, sure. We'll take care of it. We're working with the governor. It's a terrible thing. We've been in touch with Governor Abbott and very close to Governor Abbott and everybody in Texas. Kristi Noem has, as you know, been there and will continue to be there. And we're working very close with representatives from Texas, and it's a horrible thing that took place. Absolutely horrible. So we say God bless all of the people that have gone through so much, and God bless the state of Texas. It's an incredible place. Any questions, please?
The deadly flooding in Texas has claimed the lives of at least 70 people, among them dozens of children. Joining me live is our Sky News meteorologist, Rob Sharp, to try and help explain what exactly caused these floods and why they were so deadly. Rob, what happened here? Because there wasn't a lot of warning for these people.
There was at least some warning in the days leading up that there was going to be some heavy rain in the region, and there was a pretty high-end warning from the National Weather Service, but a lot of the really highest end warnings happened during the night, of course, because this was an overnight flood event. And that was really what made this so deadly, I think, because what we had moisture from a tropical storm that came across Mexico and then up into the Gulf. And then that spawned a new small low pressure system that led to this intense rainfall. We're talking 300 millimeters in some spots in just a matter of hours, and all of that rain fell in the mountains and then flowed down into these rivers. And so the rivers rose as much as 10 meters almost in just a matter of a couple of hours.
10 meters in a number of hours. So, I mean, this is not a common event, but it seems like these almost flash flooding events, but massive, with massive amounts of rain, and as you say, rivers rising so quickly, are becoming more common. Is that a fair thing to say?
Yeah, that is a fair thing to say, and it's what we would expect from climate science as well. So there's a rule of thumb that for every 1 degree of warming, you see an extra 10% extra moisture in the atmosphere. But what we're really seeing is these short duration rain events that are picking up in frequency. So the number of record rain days that we're seeing across the world has actually increased about 30% compared to just 50 years ago.
Wow, that's extraordinary. Rob, thanks for explaining to us this morning. I really appreciate it.